Hello and welcome to the Day Tradestor. Today we got the report from Fed Chair Jerome Powell, and they have decided to cut the interest rates by 25 basis points, which is 1/4%. Immediately on that news, the markets and a lot of stocks in the market went down, but we did recover and we almost closed right where we opened today. Now, even though the 1/4 point interest rate cut is a great thing for the markets, his statement afterwards didn't contradict the rate change. He just balanced out the good news of the rate cut with a great deal of what could be questionable bad news for the future. He still has a concern about inflation going up due to the tariffs, even though his concern several months ago was that tariffs were going to be hitting by now, and they really haven't hit to the extreme that he had thought they were going to hit, along with many other experts. So will they hit to the degree that we had been told? They haven't yet. And he expressed negative concern given the negative immigration rate. His position, along with some other experts, as that because we have a negative immigration rate and there's quite a bit of deportation, both self and forced, that there won't be enough labor to perform a lot of the manufacturing or blue-collar jobs here in the U.S. That also is questionable and doesn't seem to be holding true either. At any rate, we had a significant drop down, then we came back up. We have a hammer here. Typically, this hammer is a good sign, especially if it was a green hammer. If we look back here and we look at some other hammers, here's a green hammer up the next day. Here's a hammer up the next day. Now here's a hammer, but it's red, but we were down. But 2 days later, we were back up. If we look back, do we have any more hammers? We've got one more hammer here. We went up that day. So now here's the opposite hammer. It went down the day after. So a hammer is usually a pretty good sign. It's a consistent indicator on direction of movement. It's not 100% accurate, but this is how some people trade. I don't trade on hammers. I don't trade on candles. I don't look for patterns in candles. We trade according just to price movement. And in reference to price movement today, we didn't have any of our stocks yesterday cause any price alerts for possible sell triggers. So since we weren't able to sell anything within our swing trading strategy because no triggers were hit and no alerts were sent on the sell side, we do not have any funds available to make any purchases. And that's a good thing. If we don't have any sell triggers being hit, then that means our stocks are either staying static or they're going up. We did have a few buy alerts sent our way, but as I just said, we're unable to make any purchases. Now, of the triggers that we did receive, I will go ahead. We can fill out some sell orders to finish out the sales process of the alerts that we did receive today. And the first one that we're going to take a look at is Hilton. And we looked at this yesterday. We set a sell order yesterday for Hilton, and we're going to go ahead and complete out our sell order on this cross. We had the fast moving average cross below the slow moving average, and when we do that, I either sell or create sell orders for all of the shares that we own, and we currently have 3. We already have 2 in a sell order, so we're going to come over here, find Hilton in our watch list, right click, sell. We're looking to sell 1 share. Now the Hilton that we're selling, we bought at $277.51. So we come to our hundreds place. The very first digit is 200, and we take 10% of the first digit no matter what place it's in, and that would be 20 cents. And we're going to add 20 cents to our 277.51, and our sell order is 277.71. Good till cancel, extended hour, and confirm and sent. Sorry. And the only other one that we have to take a look at is McKesson. We looked at this yesterday as well. This is a carryover. This was a carryover from 2 days ago. We had price move below our fast moving average, which is what we receive the possible sell alert on. We had continuation the following day. And not only did we have continuation on that, we had price cross, didn't close, but we had price cross below our slow moving average, and we have continuation on that move. So we're just going to go ahead and place a sell order for these other 2 shares that we own. Now, one of these shares we bought at 731.63. So come into our watch list. We've got McKesson, right click, sell order. We're looking to sell one share, and we purchased it at 731.63. So 700, 10% of 700 is 70 cents. So we're going to add 70 cents to the 63, which means our sell order is going to be $732.33. So 732 and 33 cents. Whoops. 0.33. Good till cancel. Extended hours. Confirm and send. There's our second sell order. Now the other share that I purchased was at $730.53. So we're going to come back, set another sell order, right click in our watch list, selling one. Again, it was purchased at $700. So we're going to take 70 cents and add that to 730.53. And that's going to be $731.13. So $731.13 as our sell order for our last share. Good till cancel, extended hours, confirm and send. And that is all that we have today. We did not have any other sell alerts trigger. We didn't have anything else to sell. So we just finished out our sell orders for stocks that we weren't able to put a sell order on for yesterday or the day before. We received continuation today, and we took care of them. All right, we'll head back over to the S&P chart, SPX, and we'll take a look. We only did two of them, but might as well keep doing the same process that I do in every video. We go through and see what orders we placed and what we were able to sell, place a sell order on and buy, and we place a sell order for Hilton and McKesson. So if you've been following me and you've been copying some of my trades and you also bought Hilton and McKesson when I did, you might want to consider putting a sell order on those if you didn't sell them earlier at a profit. But if you chose to hold on to them just to track me and follow me because I am profitable and you're trusting my trades, then go ahead and do that today. Might be something you want to consider. And that's it. That's all we have for today. So now we'll pull up our actual earnings, realized earnings, and our portfolio performance. And today, every single bit of this $419 is strictly from day trading. That is all from day trading since we weren't able to sell anything within our swing trading strategy. And then our performance for our portfolio year to date from August 20th when we opened this account. We are currently performing at 4.89 compared to the S&P 500 at 3.18 year to date. And our old account was 1626 compared to 1054. And combined, our portfolio, my portfolio, is performing at 21.15% compared to the S&P 500 at 13.72%, which means we are performing 7.43% better than the S&P 500. And that is another day we've taken care of. Today is Wednesday. And if you have any questions or thoughts or concerns or ideas, please leave a comment and have an absolutely wonderful rest of your Wednesday afternoon.